This old Land Rover discovery has seen better days, now just a forgotten relic in this junkyard.
Look at the severity of this rust. The texture, the decay, it's quite extensive.
With gentle wipes, the thick grime begins to yield, revealing the iconic Land Rover emblem beneath.
Look at these torn seats, the dusty dashboard, and the dirt-packed floors.
First, we'll loosen these old bolts. They're pretty rusted. Now, let's carefully lift the seat out. As we peel back this old, stained carpet, you can see the extensive rust on the metal floor underneath. Now, this floor pan is really quite rusted, so we need to be thorough with the wire brush.
Now we're vacuuming up all this loose rust and debris from the floor pan.
Carefully guiding the trim tool, we're popping each clip with a slow, controlled motion.
As the water flows, it gently lifts the layers of dirt, revealing the true color beneath.
First, we're going to apply a nice, thick layer of snow foam to lift all that dirt and grime off the paintwork.
Gently work the brush in circular motions along the seams, allowing the foam to lift the embedded dirt. We're carefully brushing each spoke, loosening this thick, dried mud.
You can see just how oxidized this headlight is, and the water is already starting to lift some of that cloudiness.
After washing, panels fully rinsed to reveal the original green paint beneath previously caked mud and grime.
As the microfiber towel glides, each water bead vanishes, revealing the paint's true clarity.
And this is what we're left with. The bare metal floor, some surface rust, and a whole lot of cleaning to do.
And it will convert the rust into a stable black surface.
The exterior is gleaming after a fresh wash, and inside, the cabin is stripped down, revealing the clean floor pans.
As you can see, the engine bay is quite dusty. We'll need to address the wear on these components during restoration.
Today we're removing the alternator. This bolt is a bit corroded, but it's coming out smoothly.
And as we lift the valve cover, you can see the camshaft and the valves underneath, all looking pretty good, just a bit of oil residue.
These are some of the brackets and pulleys from the engine. We're giving them a good soak and scrub to remove years of built-up grime and grease. Carefully align the new gasket with the bolt holes, ensuring it's flush against the engine surface for a perfect seal.
Now we tighten these head bolts to the manufacturer's specified torque.
Okay, we're slowly lowering the engine into the bay. We need to align it carefully with the mounting points, checking all connections.
You can see the water loosening all that caked on mud and grease from the chassis and suspension.
With each pass, more of the old paint is coming away, revealing the clean metal underneath.
The Raptor coating gives a nice texture, provides good protection against stone chips.
First, carefully guide the new brake line along the frame, ensuring it aligns with all the mounting points. First, ensure the exhaust is cool. Then, apply a small amount of polish to your cloth.
Notice how each gentle tap gradually reshapes the metal. We're carefully working the dent from the edges inward.
We're applying a thin, even coat, ensuring all the low spots are perfectly filled for a smooth finish.
As you can see, we're achieving a smooth, even finish, gradually leveling the filler with the panel. As we blow away the sanding dust, you can see the smooth, prepared surface emerge, ready for the next stage.
The spray gun is moved methodically across the body, applying even coats.
Checking the smoothness of this fresh primer. It feels really even, ready for the next step.
Notice the smooth, even strokes, ensuring uniform coverage and a deep, rich finish.
Now we apply the clear coat, enhancing the reflection and ensuring a flawless, glossy surface finish. Ensure the badge is perfectly aligned with the guide marks before pressing firmly. You'll feel the adhesive take hold.
We're just going to carefully align this trim piece, ensuring it snaps securely into all the clips.
We're carefully positioning the wheel onto the hub, ensuring proper alignment with the lug holes. First lug nut tightened to spec. Now, moving to the next in the star pattern to ensure even pressure.
Now, carefully align the seat brackets with the mounting points on the floor, and then thread the bolts securely by hand. Carefully lay the new carpet, smoothing it around the seat mounts and pedals. Ensure a snug fit along the edges.
Using a microfiber cloth ensures a gentle yet effective clean. To start, apply a small amount of leather cleaner to a soft microfiber cloth. Gently wipe the steering wheel. We'll start by lightly spraying the glass cleaner. Then, with a soft cloth, wipe methodically to remove all smudges and dust.
And we'll just gently brush away any loose dust and debris from the engine cover and these hoses.
As you can see, the slow circular motions help to evenly distribute the polish for a perfect shine.
Now, with gentle, even strokes, we're bringing out that deep, mirror-like shine.
And as we gently wipe away the last traces, you can see the remarkable clarity of these restored lenses.
With the key in the ignition, a gentle turn brings the engine to life. All systems are go.
You can hear that steady idle. All the components are working together, everything's smooth.
The Land Rover rolls forward slowly and deliberately. You can see the suspension response as it moves across the workshop.
Emerging from its transformation, the freshly painted body glows under the warm, golden hour light.
Its restored stance is perfectly balanced, with exterior cleanliness and panel alignment showcasing meticulous work.
We meticulously restored this badge, polishing it to highlight the superb reflective quality of the surface.
This fully restored Land Rover Discovery Series 2 boasts a deep green glossy paint, polished trims, and perfectly aligned body panels.